So, Sound Bike Tour 2024 in Switzerland. We have here one new sound bicycle, not so strong music system like the others, more or less something very simple with JBL. And but it's a very special bicycle from China, have 1500 watt, but on a Banfan engine you will not see very well, so it's a little bit hidden, but very strong bicycle. And of course have a lot of special features, camera, back horns, and what else we have here. Okay, here we have special lights, dash cam, so we can see everything, big full light, of course music from Ultra Music Festival Miami, pre-Amphilyber, and from the front special fog light. Maximum speed at the moment reduced on 25, but constructed maximum speed is around 50. So happy new year for 2024. This is one of the new sound bicycles, and next movie we will show you one bicycle more with one much more bigger sound system.